Review: Logitech Combo Touch mimics the Magic Keyboard for 3rd-Gen iPad Air and iPad Pro 10.5-inch, AppleInsider. Look up for the Lyrid meteor shower, which peaks April 21–22. New York Daily News. Minecraft looks like a whole new game with NVIDIA's RTX ray tracing. Engadget. iPhone SE vs Pixel 3a, Galaxy S10e, Galaxy A51 comparison. What's the best budget phone? CNET. How to get good at Valorant without playing it. GameSpot. Final Fantasy VII Remake Chapter 17 walkthrough. Deliverance from Chaos. Spoiler-free. GameSpot. This week's top stories: Google Pixel 4a vs iPhone SE, camera go hands-on. More 9 to 5. Google. NASA, SpaceX to resume astronaut launches in U.S. on May 27. The Loop. New model Nintendo Switch is back in stock, act quick. Forbes. This is the best AirPods Pro deal we've ever seen and it's selling out fast. Tom's